Hi, want to learn some new cool tips and tricks on the camera of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to, of course, open the camera application and let's start. First step is that you can actually make a photo with delay of 2 seconds with the help of volume buttons. So, if I will click on the volume button, you can see the timer of 2 seconds start and then make a photo. It also works on both of the cameras, as you can see. And this is it. Next thing is that you can actually manually change the brightness of photo. For that, we would need to tap on any place on the camera and then take this sun icon with our finger and pull it down or up like this, and you can see how the brightness is changing. If you would like to remove any changes that you have done, just tap to any other place and it will go back to default. Next thing is voice shutter. You can actually make a photo with the help of your voice. For example, if you're doing a group photo and you can't reach your phone, just say cheese and the photo has been made. But we would need to enable this feature. For that, click on this arrow at the upper panel of your phone and here click on the voice shutter. And now if I will say word cheese, the photo will be made automatically. Here is it, how it looks. So next thing that we got here is that you can actually make high quality photos in 50 megapixels with the help of this phone. And to enable this feature, we would need to switch to our back camera. Then here on this row, we would need to click on this word more and here choose 50 megapixels. This is really high quality resolution, but always remember that if you would like to make high quality photos, you would need to also have a good lighting. So now let's move on to the next feature, which is a video. You can actually make a video. For example, if you are in the photo mode, you can make maximum 15 seconds video by holding this photo button. You can see how the timer above right here at the top part of your screen has started counting from 15 to 0. And this is especially if you're making some photos and you would need to really fastly start recording a video. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.